It is time to leave the phone and go outside, Ryan.
But I am in the middle of a game, Ethan.
The stars are very bright in the backyard right now, Ryan. The night air feels very fresh and very cool tonight.
This is a great spot to build our camping tent.
The grass is a little bit damp out here, Ethan.
Help me stretch the tent fabric across the grass, Ryan.
This fabric is very large and very heavy.
Please slide this metal pole through the small holes, Ryan.
I think the pole is stuck inside the fabric, Ethan.
Push it very slowly, and it will go through. Look at the tent standing up on the grass now.
The tent looks much bigger than I expected, Ethan.
Use this hammer to fix the stakes into the ground.
The ground is very hard and very dry tonight, Ethan.
Good job, because the tent is now very steady.
I am a little bit tired after all that work.
Let us move to the fire pit area now, Ryan.
It is very quiet and very peaceful out here.
We will start a small fire for our Campout, Ryan. Put the small branches in a triangle shape first, Ryan.
This triangle shape will help the fire grow fast, Ethan.
The fire is becoming much larger and very warm.
Camping is much better than looking at a phone, Ryan.
You are right, because the fire is very relaxing, Ethan.
I have some sweet marshmallows for us to roast tonight. Take this stick and be very careful with it.
This marshmallow is very soft, very sticky, and I can't wait to eat it.
Oh no, because my marshmallow is on fire now.
Blow on the flame very gently to stop it.
It is black now, but it still looks tasty.
The center is very hot and very gooey, Ethan.
This is my favorite part of camping in the backyard. I remember camping with my dad many years ago. Did you have a large orange tent like ours? No, because our old tent was green and small. One time, I got lost in the big forest. I was afraid, but I remembered my father's advice.
The moon is very large and very beautiful tonight.
We must keep the fire bright for the night.
I am ready for more stories about the forest.
The backyard is very silent and very dark now, Ryan.
Did you hear that loud noise in the bushes, Ethan?
Yes, I heard it. But do not be afraid, Ryan.
Something is moving very fast in the dark bushes.
Maybe it is a very big and hungry animal, Ethan.
It is okay, Ryan, because we have a bright flashlight. I will turn on the light to see clearly now.
The light is very bright.
Keep your eyes on that light, Ryan. We will find out what made that strange noise. I see a dark shadow moving behind the wood.
Stay very close to me because I am nervous.
The noise is coming from inside this wood pile.
Is it a big bear or a scary monster?
No, Ryan. There are no bears in this backyard. I think something is hiding under this very large green leaf.
Ugh, it is jumping away into the dark shadows now.
It is very fast, but it is not big.
I think the animal is inside that small hole.
I can see two small and very bright eyes.
The eyes look very friendly and very cute, Ethan.
It is a small cat with black and white fur.
The small cat is not a scary monster at all.
The kitten is stuck between these heavy wood logs.
Let us work together to save the small cat.
Lift the wood very slowly on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Lift the heavy wood now.
The heavy wood is moving, and the cat is free.
We did a very good job tonight, Ryan. We should leave some water for the small kitten.
The kitten, it might be very thirsty after being stuck.
I have a small bowl in our camping bag. I will pour some cold water into this bowl.
The small cat can find the water very easily here.
Saving animals is much more exciting than digital games. It is time to put out the fire now. The water will make the coals cold and safe.
The white smoke looks very cool in the moonlight.
Let us go inside the tent and prepare for bed. This tent is very cozy and very warm tonight.
I do not want to check my phone now.
Goodbye, phone, because the backyard is more fun.
I am very proud of you for helping, Ryan.
Thank you for this big camping trip, Dad.
The backyard sounds very peaceful when we are lying down.
I have never seen so many stars in the city.
That bright group of stars is called the Big Dipper.
The real stars are much better than a phone screen.
Nature always has many big and beautiful surprises for us. We should go to sleep and dream about adventure.
Good night, Dad. And thank you for a great night.
Good night, Ryan, and sleep very well in our tent.
This was a perfect night for our family camping.